Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to return Temu items in literally just 1 minute. So no need to skip any part of the video. If you're looking for the desktop version of how to return the items, click on the card on the top. Today we will go to the mobile version. To get rid of the item, you have 90 days to return it. You're going to open your Temu app, you go into your profile, orders, select the order you want to return. Sometimes in this page it doesn't show the return option, but you just need to click on the 3 dots, choose return item, choose a reason for returning it, confirm, and tap I still want to return it. Next, upload the video or picture of the item, then write it down the reason for return, then tap next twice. Please give us a thumbs up. Usually if the item is cheap, you will be able to get a refund without return the item. I always select Temu credit because it's faster, and I always buying on Temu. Then you tap submit, and that's it.